Deciding on new hardware for your business can be overwhelming. The process often starts with problems. Maybe your team's frustrated with slow computers, or your office printers keep jamming. When you investigate upgrading equipment, there's a lot to consider. Start by looking at how and where your people work. For hybrid setups, the right hardware makes everything easier, and vice versa. Consider what kind of server setup you have. Does it suit the way you do business today? When did you last upgrade hidden network equipment like routers and access points? And with every new piece of hardware, make sure you're future-proofing so that today's investment lasts longer. The smartest decision is to find a trusted partner to guide you through all options and help you build a business case for upgrades. You'll save money and time. We do this for lots of businesses, and we'd love to do it for you. Get in touch.